A Russian drone attack early on Friday on Ukraine's port city of Izmail on the Romanian border killed 3 people and wounded 11. An overnight missile attack also struck the central eastern city of Dnipro, damaging an industrial facility but without causing injuries. More details in the following report. The Defense Ministry said on Friday that a Russian drone may have breached the national airspace of NATO member Romania for a very brief period of under 3 minutes overnight during an attack on neighboring Ukraine. The drone attack on the southern Ukrainian town of Izmail, just across the Danube River from Romania, killed 3 people and injured 14. Ukrainian Air Force said it had shot down 24 of 32 drones. Romania scrambled 2 F-16 fighter jets and 2 Spanish F-18s, which are carrying out air policing missions in the country for the rest of the year. Residents of the southeastern Romanian county of Tolesia were warned to take cover. Romania shares a 650 kilometers border with Ukraine. It has had Russian drone fragments fall onto its territory repeatedly over the past year, mostly after being destroyed by Ukrainian air defenses. However, on September 8th, both Romania and Latvia had their airspace breached by Russian drones, prompting worries of escalation.